Hi guys, it's Lana Nia and welcome back to Leap in the Wind. Today we're going to take the Vista Dome train ride with Royal Gorge and I'm ecstatic. But before we get started, I need you to smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to turn on your notifications. You do not want to miss a future video. Alright, let's get started. So if you decide to come to Royal Gorge and do the train ride, make sure you book the Vista Dome. It is beautiful. Look at this. Oh my gosh. The food just got here.
San Francisco for spring training. Today, we stop on the Hanging Bridge in order to remember those who traveled before us and share the same spectacular views they once enjoyed.
We're headed back to Kansas City. So this is the end of our Royal Gorge train ride, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.